Want to turn your regular bike into an electric ride and save hundreds compared to buying a brand new e-bike? You're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best e-bike conversion kits available right now. Whether you're a commuter, adventurer, or just want to boost on your daily ride, there's something here for you. These kits are easy to install, powerful, and budget-friendly. And yes, we've included direct product links in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Let's electrify your ride, starting with number 5 on our list. Let's go. Top 5. Top best e-bike conversion kits. CSC Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Upgrade your ride with the CSC 48-volt 1500-watt snow electric bike conversion kit, designed for high performance in snow, sand, and all-terrain conditions. This powerful rear hub motor fits a 26 by 4.0-inch fat tire wheel with a 190mm dropout, making it perfect for beach cruisers and snow bikes. The kit includes the reliable SW900 LCD display, offering real-time speed, battery level, and trip data for a smarter, more controlled riding experience. Built for durability and power, this conversion kit turns your regular fat tire bike into a robust electric machine capable of tackling tough trails with ease. Tongsheng TSDZ8. The Tongsheng TSDZ8 and TSDZ2B electric bike conversion kits offer versatile mid-drive motor solutions for cycling enthusiasts seeking to upgrade their bikes with efficient pedal assist power. The TSDZ8 boasts a powerful 750-watt motor, ideal for riders who need higher torque and speed for challenging terrains or heavier loads. The TSDZ2B variant comes in 500-watt and 250-watt options, catering to both moderate and light-duty use, and is suitable for those who prioritize energy efficiency and legal compliance with local e-bike regulations. Both kits feature an integrated torque sensor for a smooth, natural riding experience, and support bottom brackets sized 68 to 73 millimeters, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of standard bike frames. 3. BAFANG G020. Easily convert your regular bicycle into an electric bike with the DIY BAFANG e-bike conversion kit, available for both front and rear wheel setups. The rear motor kit fits bikes with a dropout size of 135 to 142 millimeters and supports flywheels up to 9 speeds, while the front motor kit fits bikes with a 100mm dropout. With a powerful and stable 500-watt rear-drive motor, compatible with disc brakes, this system offers excellent performance and enhanced comfort for city commuting, mountain biking, or long-distance touring. The kit includes all essential components such as the motorized wheel, controller, brake lever or sensor for hydraulic brakes, thumb throttle, controller case, optional BAFANG LCD display, PAS, extension cable, 1T4 cable, and a free LED light. A battery and charger are optional, making this kit highly customizable. Reaching speeds of up to 38 to 40 km with over 80% efficiency and 470 RPM, this cost-effective solution offers a safe and powerful upgrade with brake levers that cut motor power when applied. 2. iMotor 3.0. The iMotor 3 is a versatile electric bike conversion kit designed to easily transform a standard bicycle into an e-bike by replacing the front wheel. Manufactured by iMotor, this kit features a durable rubber tire, an aluminum alloy hub, and a motor shell made from ABS and PC materials. It offers 2 connection options, a wireless Bluetooth app compatible with Android and iOS devices, or a wired LCD display with a thumb throttle for more traditional control. Suitable for a variety of bike sizes, including 24-inch, 26-inch, 27.5, 29-inch, and 700C. The kit fits front forks with a 10 by 100mm quick-release dropout. It comes equipped with a 36-volt 7200 mAh lithium-ion battery, supporting a range of up to 50 kilometers and speeds up to 40 km/h, powered by a 350-watt brushless DC motor. With a net weight of 8 kilograms and a maximum load capacity of 180 kilograms, the iMotor 3 is ideal for mountain, road, or city bikes. The package includes region-specific chargers and has varying packing dimensions based on wheel size, ensuring a snug fit for every configuration. 1. WenDissy e-bike conversion kit. Are you an avid cyclist who struggles with climbing hills or dreams of effortless, wind-in-your-face rides? If so, our high-powered electric bike motor conversion kit is exactly what you need. Designed for performance and reliability, this kit transforms your regular bike into a powerful electric ride. It features a durable 350-watt brushless motor for reduced noise and strong output, a high-sensitivity brake handle for enhanced safety, and a robust controller to ensure a steady power supply. With 5-speed adjustability, fixed-speed cruise, and a clear LCD display for real-time feedback on speed, mileage, and power, your cycling experience will be smoother and more exciting than ever. Plus, installation is a breeze with all accessories and a step-by-step manual included. Don't miss out. Upgrade your ride today and enjoy cycling like never before. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best e-bike conversion kits. Whether you're upgrading your daily commute or just looking to electrify your weekend rides, these kits offer something for everyone. If you saw something you liked, all the product links are conveniently listed in the description below. So be sure to check those out for the latest prices and details. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let us know in the comments which kit caught your eye, or if there's one you think should have made the list.